We are now here to have some pho. 20 Pho Hour, right on International Drive. Awesome place here. We got family, Christy and
Hey, but here's the deal.
oh,
Here's the deal. He pronounces it right. It's not pho. It's 20 pho. 20 Pho Hour, not 20 Pho Hour. Right?
this is our buddy Chris Chicago
How's it going?
out of
Hello.
Houston.
Gonna have some fun, eat some great food. If you've never been to this spot, just wait until you see inside. It's all black and white themed, even the soda machines. You just gotta come check. You gotta come check it out.
All right, let's check it out. Let's go, Anthony.
Yeah, let's go.
We're just gonna roll in. Take a look at that. And the claw machine. Look at that theming. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh. I don't know, I'm speechless at the moment. Let's go over here. We have build your own pho bowls. You can actually have bowls with ramen, noodles, pho, or udon. Pick 2 proteins and do some add-ons. We have some appetizers as well. Vermicelli cold dishes, kids menu. And then there's some appetizers. We're gonna try the Philly egg rolls. They look really good. And then you got soft drinks and tons of other things. So we already ordered our food, and now we're gonna take a look at the fountain drink area because it's pretty cool looking. Take a look at that theming, very black and white. Pretty cool. And look at this soda machine. Look at that, all black and white. Very, very cool. Got a good selection. Water cups over here on the side. They got a pho booth. Again, we're not just doing theme parks, we're doing cool locations around Central Florida, including here at International Drive, which is a popular area for tourists. So feel free to stop by. I am going to put a link to 20 Pho Hour in the comments. Give them a visit, take a look at their address, times of operation. Highly recommend it. I haven't tried anything yet, but our friend Chris recommends it, and we're going to show you some food here in just a minute. What do we got here?
Got some summer rolls. Amazing little dippy dip. This is the vegan pho. All full of veggies, veggie broth, some fried tofu. Packed full of veggies. Incredible.
Got some kimchi in there as well. Oh, smell that cilantro. It smells so good.
It smells amazing.
Then Christy and I are sharing a beef broth pho with shrimp and seasonal veggies in there. Looks good. They bring some, Chris has got some other toppings here, some bean sprouts, jalapenos, limes, and it looks like some other greens. Oh, it is ours. Okay, never mind. Well, that's ours. So we get a lot of other veggies there. Chris also got one of their drinks, I'm assuming. What's that drink we got?
Just
over
water.
here?
Oh, this is the juice from the store.
Oh, juice. Okay, not one of theirs. And then Lorelai and Anthony are sharing a strawberry refresher that's got strawberry. It's a strawberry lemonade with strawberry popping boba pearls in it. So it looks like that's a keepable cup too. Lorelai and Anthony's food has come in. Christy and I also got the Philly cheese steak egg rolls. Got my little bowl here. Bean sprouts, shrimp,
To drink that then.
scallions.
There's water here if you want to drink that. And you can take that with you.
How's the broth, Anthony? Now here, Chris has got a vloggy vlog coming up too about some health options, so I have to look into that. Depending on when that goes, we might have to put a link there in our on our page.
The old vlog is still up. Go to youtube.com/thechrischicago. You can see some old adventures, some Texas fun.
We'll put a link in the comments for you. So we devoured some of this food here, especially those spring rolls. The Philly cheese spring rolls are amazing. It's like almost like a jalapeno ranch sauce. I think. I don't know. What did you get some of the sauce, Anthony? Did you try that?
I think it's like some sort of jalapeno ranch.
Did you try it at all, Christy?
Yeah, it had a little kick to it.
Enjoying our pho. Anthony's enjoying that crispy pork belly there. Very good. I had a little bit as well. Chris is giving us the sniffles because he spiced up his.
Jalapenos, yes.
And then Lorelai's eating her shrimp over there, doing the chopsticks routine, going all traditional on us. How's your strawberry drink over there? Your refresher.
It's so good. It's refreshing.
Great. Strawberry lemonade, good for the day, right?
Yep, with boba.
All right, beautiful. We just finished an awesome lunch at 20 Pho Hour on International Drive in Orlando. Let us know if you've ever been here. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, bottom right hand corner, if you want to see more of this type of content.